Rise and shine. Me in all of my glory. I still have crust in my eyes. It is now 5:30 and I'm up trying to edit or finish editing videos from yesterday. And I'm going to be editing the vlog from yesterday because I didn't finish it last night. So hopefully I can get something done before the kids wake up. But the early bird gets the worm, so got to get it done by any means. So hello world. With my scarf, child, my scarf hanging on. Oh, I need to be shot. She cute, she cute. This is what I look like half the time. I mean, you know, I don't have sleep in my eyes all the time, but yeah. Scarf gang, scarf gang. Yeah, so just editing. I want some tea. My throat is hurting. And I still have to find those onesies from last night. I cannot find them anywhere. I think I might have to do thermals, guys, because I can't find it. Can't find it, so yeah, I'm editing. Let me show you guys. I'm editing. I'm in my bed. I'm in my bed. I am still in my bed, but I'm editing this video that I've recorded yesterday. So yeah, I am editing this makeup tutorial, and then hopefully once this is done, I can start yesterday's vlog. But I gotta be up to get the kids up in about an hour or so. Let me get to work. No lie, I literally have, no lie, I have the best clients. Look at this. She brought me this candle she was telling me about. Have you guys heard of that? She was telling me about this candle at her last appointment, right? And she was just like, it was bomb, it was bomb. But she told me the price, and I was like, girl, you got a coupon? But she bought me oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. Where's this from again? This is from, I forgot what store. You guys, I'm gonna put it in like the comment section, I mean the description box, because I cannot remember what store she got this from. This thing smells amazing. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, best clients ever, I swear. I swear. The struggle is real today. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? I am leaving the gym. My workout today was actual trash. It really was. Today is Monday, which means it's leg day. And my workout was trash. I am working out on an empty stomach. I didn't have any pre-workout. I just had water today. And when I tell you my energy level is like -2, it's -2. So workout was trash. I still went. So in my mind, I'm kind of like, going is better than nothing. But it was trash, y'all. So I did 6 leg exercises, a 10-minute workout, and I left. I did not want to be there. I wasn't mentally there. Girl. So I got my coffee, and I'm about to drink this. Hopefully I feel better after that, because I want to get some filming done today for the week. And yeah, we just gonna roll with it. Have you guys heard of this new rapper called Bluefish? Is it Blue oh no, Blueface. He is trash, y'all. I like the song, but he really trash. Like, what is this? Like, I mean, he really has been connected. Okay, girl. He really trash though. But I can't stop listening to the song. Is it gonna play? I can't play too much of it because it's explicit. Blueface, baby. Alright. Oh, see? He got turned off already. He wildin'. But yeah, workout was trash. On my way home. I have, excuse me, honey. I completely forgot I was vlogging today. And I done already run the groceries in the house and started cooking. So I'm gonna have to just pick up from where we left off because I forgot. It's Monday, so Monday is my day to do everything in the house. Clean, laundry. Well, I did laundry yesterday. So clean. I'm gonna clean out my refrigerator, cook dinner, at least for the next 3 days. That's the goal. So I already started dinner. I'm not sure if I want to make it like a beef roast or if I want to shred it up and do like steak tacos. We'll see. It's 11:30, so we'll see how tender it gets by like 6. If it's tender enough, then I'll shred it up and we'll just do like beef tacos or fajitas or something like that. If not, I'll just add some potatoes and a vegetable and call it a day. So I already started that. I have some ground chuck. I seasoned it with Sazon Spanish seasoning. Where is it? Let me see. Sazon, gotta have this. I added some adobo, which is also Goya. Onion powder, garlic powder, and then I took a Lipton beef onion pack and I put that on top with some green peppers, yellow peppers, and some onion. And this is just going to be in the crock pot for about hopefully 6-7 hours because dinner's gonna be around 6:30 in the house. So this is what we got. This is going to be on high for the first 4 hours, and then after that I'm gonna put it on low until it gets to where I need it to be. So that's done. I think I want to make, for some strange reason, I have worst angle ever, by the way. For some strange reason I want to make potato salad today. I have no idea why. No idea why, but I bought potatoes just in case. So I need to clean my refrigerator out because the trash runs tomorrow and I got to get all this stuff out my fridge. And also, like, I'm going into the year and I'm really trying to minimize everything in my house. So I'm at the point where it's like if I see it and it's not supposed to be there, it goes in the trash. I don't even care if it's my stuff. Like, I just don't want to see it no more. So let me give you a tour of what my kitchen look like now. You see all of that stuff back there? Outside of the stuff I just bought, that's laundry detergent. But like all of that back there, outside of the bread, like, I'm just tired of seeing stuff. Like, I don't want to see stuff. Like, no stuff. So I'm legit about to get trash bags, and anything I see on my countertops, on my tables, is going in the trash. Like, decluttering all 2019, 2018, I'm starting now. So I'm about to finish cooking this, clean my refrigerator out, and I'm just about to start going crazy, throwing everything out in the trash. So, and hopefully I get to film today, but I think I feel myself being on a rampage and I'm just about to just toss everything. So we gonna see. We gonna see. All right, you guys, my kitchen, oops, my kitchen is now clean. Well, everything is clean. I didn't put it away yet. Dishes are washed. My steak tacos are cooking. And I just got a package. Ooh, I can't pick it up with one hand. Let's try it this way. Okay, there we go. I just got a package in the mail from Pixie, and I want to open it. Even though I have other boxes upstairs, I still want to open it because I want to open it. So let's see what this is. Okay, I finally got it together, y'all. All right, so this is what I got from Pixie. So cute. Now, I'm actually debating on if I want to open it or not because it's cute and I think it'd be cute under my Christmas tree because I currently have absolutely nothing under it. And I think I kind of have an idea of what it is because Pixie does send things to other influencers, and I think I already seen this online. So if it's the same thing, I definitely don't want to open it, but I kind of got an idea. Kind of got an idea what it is, so I think I'm gonna actually just leave it in the box. I think it's some more of the glow tonic that I rave about all the time anyway, but I can always have more. And you guys, if you are watching it now, tomorrow actually tonight at 12 p.m. my Pixie giveaway will be over, so I would suggest you guys head to the blog ChimereNicole.com to enter because I give away stuff all the time. And that's where I give it away at. It just makes it easier for me because I can control who wins, and it's not, you know, I'm just picking somebody random. I have a whole system in place for my giveaways, so it just makes it a lot easier. So yeah, check that out. So I'm gonna leave this here, and I'm still thinking about that potato salad, you guys. I don't know if I feel like doing all that with the potatoes and the eggs and all of that. Oh, but we'll see.
Okay, the number bar 10 plus 2 equals 12. Tell me.
So I clearly made the potato salad. Making it now. So we got potatoes, egg, onion, celery, sweet relish, mayo, and it has to be Hellmann's. Has to be Hellmann's. I'll mix it all up and then put it in the fridge. Okay, so I might have made a ham. I don't know what my problem is today. So the kids like the tacos. It's a little bit different for them because they just like the regular hard shell tacos. So we tried something different. They ate it. They ate most of the meat out. But I'm happy. They loved the meat. They said it was really good. I actually enjoyed the tacos too. They were really, really good. And of course the meat was tender. So that will probably, after my husband eats his leftovers, that will probably last until tomorrow. And then now I made potato salad. I'm currently making a ham. I got maybe like 2 more hours and then I have to glaze it. I'll probably have to do like a brown sugar glaze or something like that. And then that'll be done. And then we can probably eat the ham and stuff for maybe like another 2 days, and I'll just freeze the rest. Yeah, so yeah. Just cooking everything today, just random. I don't know, y'all. That's that. I actually was in coffee though, but I didn't film today. I've been cooking all day, been cleaning all day, but I'm domesticated. So yeah, that's probably going to complete today's vlog. You guys cooked with me. And that's that. So I'll see you guys later. It's good. Yeah. Just like Kevin.